His Excellency President Princino S. Aquino III, trustees of the Raman Magsaysay Award Foundation, distinguished guests, fellow awardees and friends. Greetings to you all from India. The response from my heart is thanks for the recognition of IVDP through this award to me. When the award was announced, I was not affected. But few hours later, a flurry of calls came in from all quarters, lavishing appreciation following media reports of the award. This was followed by interviews with the press and TV channels. Congratulations poured into my email box. People queued up in my office to facilitate me. I began to understand the meaning of this award to the society around me. Then I slowly woke up to the multitude of appreciation that brought to light the significance of work done in one corner of Tamil Nadu, India. Thanks to the foundation trustees for their gigantic task in scanning across India and locating IVDP's work for recognition. The road which I passed through was not one of roses, it was instead full of thorns. It was not easy for me to realize my objectives. This honor acknowledges IVDP's poverty elevation program and the sustainable solution it found to the problem of people who face the drought that forced them to migrate in search of livelihood. The uniqueness of IVDP is that it is for the people, by the people, and of the people, where the lives of SHG members are secure, savings are safe, and loans are available at affordable cost. It is members-focused, members-owned, autonomous, and with a built-in system that ensures a higher percentage of repayment. Success goes to our women members who proved that community can be transformed by them through savings and livelihood creation, through mutual cooperation and understanding. I am happy to place on record the fact that IVDP had changed the outlook of banks towards women in the villages. The inaccessible credit became accessible to the so-called ineligible poor women. Creditworthiness in turn groomed them as a reliable clients. Now they are regarded as a first-rate clients by the bank. Thus, our model is sustained by our women in the process of IVDP's ongoing activities. At this juncture, I wish to express my thanks to many, my special thanks to my parents, the Fathers of Holy Cross, my life partner, and the IVDP team for their constant support and encouragement in sustaining my motivation in my work. I would like to sum up my IVDP experience by asserting a fact of life, that is, to give toiling people an appropriate opportunity and they will multiply the outputs in several folds. The requirement at present is not praying lips, but bona fide helping hands. I would like to accept this award and the honor and credit that goes with it on behalf of IVDP's 150,000 women members who are the pillars behind the recognition landmark achievements. My final word of response to this award is எல்லா புகழும் இந்திய பெண்களுக்கே. நன்றி, வணக்கம். Thank you.